love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is chapter 74 in the entire Python, and in the NumPy this is 33, and this is universal function. So in universal function this is like the fourth chapter. So in the last chapter we saw about simple arithmetic. In the simple arithmetic we saw about the functions of add, subtract, divide, module, power, reminder, and then we saw something like a super special called div mod, div mod. We saw that. So we are actually progressing step by step. So in this chapter what we are going to be doing is we are going to be seeing a rounding of decimals. So there are 5 is like what is the rounding of decimal? 1.7453. So that is nothing but 7453. So it is like 1.75 or 1.70. Okay, depending upon anything more than if it is going to be 1.746, it will be 1.75. So since it is 1.7453, I would say it is 1.75. Okay, so the rounding of decimal is basically 5 ways of doing it. One is a truncation, the other is fixing, the other is rounding like the way I did, the other is flooring, which is the lower limit, the other is ceiling, which is the higher limit. So in this video we are going to be seeing each and everything. Okay, so this is a cool video, short and sweet probably. So let's actually see. So the truncation is basically everything from now on is import in NumPy as MP, and then in truncation we actually say truncate this. So let's actually see what it actually gives when we actually print it. So it is truncating the entire thing and it is rounding off the decimal. All right, so this is one. Now if you want to fix it, okay, it is truncation is what command? It is a trunk, and if you want to fix it, this is a fix. So same thing, and we say np.fix, so we are actually fixing it. So when we actually run it, see here, now it is actually fixing. Same thing as truncation, but it is doing something slightly different, which is a fix. Okay, and which command is used to where, we'll actually come to know. So the as I said, if something is greater than 5, round it off to 1, else do nothing. Okay, so here if you see here, okay, this is what the rounding does, and this is exactly what I told you. So in this case, this is greater than 5. So I will not be surprised if this is 3.2 and this is 2. Okay, so let's actually do this. Yes, this is 3.17. I'm sorry, this is 3.17 because 3.1666. So this has become 3.17 because this is greater than 5, and that is what it's doing. And the other one, it is not doing anything. All right, so this is what we are rounding off. Okay, the round is called a round, and since it is already rounded, it is not giving us anything. All right, see how cool it is. Now if you want to floor is the lower limit, seal is the higher limit. Seal, floor is think of your house flooring, and seal think of your house ceiling. Okay, so this is the lower limit it has to give us for both the things, and one has to give us a higher limit. So the lower limit is, okay, here it says floor. Okay, so this it says 3, and since this is minus, it goes to minus 4. Okay, since minus 4 is lesser than minus 3, and this is like the 3. Okay, now if I have to take the ceiling, it is a seal. Okay, it is not the floor, this is a seal around and stuff of that nature. If this is what it is, this is what it is. All right, so this is the seal. So ceiling is a higher limit, so from minus it will go to minus 2, and this will go to 4. So let's see whether it does that. Yes, so it has actually not gone to minus 2, but it has actually stayed in the minus 3. Okay, and this is the 4. So this part is right, and since it's minus, it is like a bit different family, it has actually stayed there. All right, so these are the 5 ways of actually doing it. Okay, so once again we can actually go and see what the 5 ways are. Truncation, fix, which seems to be the same but different use case scenarios. Ceiling and flooring. Okay, the top part of your ceiling, the bottom part of the flooring, and rounding, which is a round. All right, I trust you'd have actually seen this lecture, probably liked it and understood it. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I will actually try to explain it to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. Still, we see you next time. Thank you, take care, and cheers.